So it's summertime. Well, it's summertime here. And that means that a lot of us are spending more time outside. Some of us go camping. If you are a camper, I think this may be actually a really cool product for you. Or even if you're someone like myself that we spend a fair bit of time out in the backyard on our patio and things like that. And it's lit up pretty well, but it's nice to have some extra light. Always nice to have extra light. And we're taking a look at this new product that's being released on Kickstarter. Now, I don't know exactly when on Kickstarter it's coming out. I think it's fairly soon, as well as I don't necessarily know the price of it. So once their link becomes active or available, I will put it down below so you guys can go take a look at that. But this is the, I'm guessing it's pronounced Outask, and it's a kind of a cool, it's called a retractable tower lamp, multifunctional retractable tower lamp. And we're gonna take a look at this. Again, I don't have a Kickstarter page for you to go to, but I do have some key features of it. So we'll look at those, check out what comes in the box, and give it a look. Okay, so Outask, it says it packs 7 light modes, so a flashlight, telescopic tripod, power bank, that's cool, universal hook. Its light stays on for a maximum of 45 hours. So if you're going camping, you could go camping with a single charge with this for days, really, because you're not going to use it during the day, right? Telescopic pole keeps you out of the constraint of an additional light support. Cool. Extends your light reach. Yep. Tripod has magnets that allow you to attach the light to metallic surfaces. Multiple lighting modes, USB-A and USB-C ports. It can charge your smartphone or things like that. As a bonus, they say it's waterproof, so that you can use this in any condition. So right off the bat, very cool. Ipx7 Waterproof, just so you guys know. Portable and sturdy, and it extends, it says, up to 1.1 meters. So that's all right. And this is the box. It's it looks like it's a little beat up, but you know, it is what it is. That's it right there. Multifunction Outask. I hope you can feel a relaxed life experience. Well, I also want a relaxed life experience. You know, here's some more information on the side there. 360 degree illuminated angle, magnetic tripod, IPX. It says IPX5 plus IPX7. I'm not really sure. Beta version, just so you guys know. This is not the final version. So if it stumbles, you know, this is kind of pre-release, right? So pre-release, and this is coming out somewhere. Right there. It's hefty. That's nice. It's got some weight to it. It's not like oh my gosh, it's super heavy. But it's got, you know, I didn't expect it to be like light. Didn't expect the light to be light. Anyways, I guess this is like some magnets, and you get these. This is going to be, I'm guessing these are like little hooks that you can, I don't know, does this have little hangy things? Maybe. So much to look at. So this, I don't even know how any of this operates. That's gonna be like a little hangy deal. So you can, I guess, hang this from something. Does this turn? It's just, there's the extension. Oh yeah, that's good. That's good and long, hey? And I'm guessing this is the light, right? And that tilts. So you can, that's what they're kind of talking about, that 360 degree, right? So you can kind of angle it however you want and spin this however you want. All right, that's cool. And it's just a friction tripod, which I like. And then that can snug right down. And then this, there's got to be magic to this somehow. It's got to be magic. There's a power button here. Does it open? It's got to open, right? Because I didn't get like a manual that I can see. So I'm left to my own curiosity. All right, so let's dig in here. So this, my guess would be your USB ports. Yeah, so there's your USB A and USB C. Cool. I'm guessing you can use those for charging. Now the other thing I don't think I got, not that I could see it. Now I gotta go look. Hold on. Unless they're hidden in here somewhere. I gotta figure it out, right? Gotta figure it out. And again, I'm doing this kind of blind because this bottom piece you would think should be able to open. I was like, maybe one of these little honeycomb things is going to open it. Oh, there is this. Aha! See, you play with it enough. This little button. Look. Whop! Because the last thing you want is you having to figure out how to open that. So you just. Oh, that's fantastic. Right? And then you got that, and then this extends. Okay, I'm down. That's a pretty cool mechanism right there. You guys can see how it kind of, right? Where am I? It's just got this little spring set up right there. They're just little tiny springs. They're good. I would almost have liked to have seen those springs be a little tighter because as you can see, right, it gets there. Not super tight in this area. My only concern would be that those, because it's got a good pull in here, but not at the bottom. Because even when it stands, right, as you can see, it doesn't like stand near the bottom. It kind of just sits there. So it just, that's the only thing. I think that's the only thing. I would like to see those springs be a little more springy, but still very cool. I'm down. All right, so we got that, and we got these. We got little hooks, which I'm guessing that we can hook into something, because that lifts, right? That lifts. These would hook somewhere, maybe. I don't know. Is there like some kind of cool mat? I don't know. You could hook this and hang it. I guess you could hook it. I don't know. I'm not 100% what the hooks are for. But I've got hooks. Doesn't tell me in here what the hooks are to do for by any means. But let's see. Tap. Full charge. Okay. Ready? Ooh. So that's cool. You get this cool little. Now this just by itself, you guys could see that, right? That could just be nice little light. Is there different brightnesses? There are different brightnesses. So you got 3 levels of brightness. And then you can kind of just tilt that however you need. So if you wanted it like flashlight mode, you just kind of turn it like that. And you could be like, you're flashlighting. You're flashlighting. Or you could tilt it however you need it, right? Just to get that light. Spin it around. Oh, this is cool. I like this. This is really cool. So... and then you can just kind of adjust. Oh, I just want night. It's just pretty, right? I like that too because you can have it like down, so you just get this nice little glow light going on, and just kind of adjust it the way you need it. This may be one of my favorite little lights, and like I said, 45 hours. We even lose power here all the time. Not all the time, but especially during the winter. If this was fully charged, the fact that I could get 45 hours. Off of this, set this up. You got light. Okay, yeah, I'm totally down. Then you just hold this to turn it off, and it's got a fairly heavy-duty construction. I'm guessing this part in here is pretty much all battery. Is my guess. Decent tripod, like I said. I'd like to see the springs a little stronger. Maybe that's something that they can look at. You got like a little lanyardy point here, which is cool. It acts, like I said, as, oh, that's what it probably says, a universal hook. I'm guessing that's the universal hook that they're talking about, just so you can hook it to whatever. I guess that makes it universal. 45 hours, yeah. Telescopic tripod, power bank. Yeah, I like the fact that you can even use it to like charge your phone. Why not? Very cool. Again, I don't know how much this is going to cost on Kickstarter. I have no idea. No idea. But I do like it. You guys see it, right? I do like it. That's somewhere. That is pretty slick. Pretty slick. All right, guys, I will put links to Kickstarter once I figure out where their page is, and you can see how much it costs, and if it's something that you would be interested in. I think it's all right. I think it's all right. All right, guys, links down below at some point, and that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and yeah, that's pretty awesome. We'll see you guys next video. Later.